If you're craving something quick, fresh, and full of flavor, this easy-peasy garlic lemon shrimp bake is the one to make. It's light, zesty, and ready in just 10 minutes. Perfect for those nights when you want something homemade without spending hours in the kitchen. The garlic and lemon bring that bright, savory kick, and the parsley ties it all together beautifully. It's one of those quick seafood entrees that pair perfectly with lunch, dinner, or even when you just want a tasty, fast shrimp snack. Stick around until the end. There's a printable recipe card waiting for you that's screenshot ready so you can save it for later, or print it out to keep it with your collection of favorite quick recipes. I also included a bonus recipe that goes well with the shrimp. The full recipe is laid out for you here. Now let's take a look so you can see how easy it is to make. Now here's the bonus recipe I promised, the one that complements the easy-peasy garlic lemon shrimp bake perfectly. Here is your recipe card for the easy-peasy garlic lemon shrimp bake and the seafood cocktail, ready for you to print or screenshot. I always appreciate you being here. I hope you enjoyed this little recipe moment and maybe even found something new to add to your seafood lineup. Before you go, tell me in the comments, what's your favorite seafood dish? And like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you'll be ready for the next recipe.